Very quickly, I want to share with you one of the biggest threats our nation faces, how foreign intelligence services, how our foreign enemies infiltrate the United States, and what this has to do with you and your safety. I am former CIA officer Jason Hanson. You may have seen me on Fox News, Shark Tank, and many other TV appearances. But what I want to do is first tell you a story. Hypothetical story, of course. Let's say many years ago, there was an intelligence operation. And there was an intelligence operation to bring down a big drug kingpin. For the heck of it, let's say this guy was in Mexico, right? And this Mexican drug kingpin was moving billions of dollars in cocaine and other drugs in the United States, obviously harming and killing a lot of Americans. And the US government wanted to shut down this drug kingpin, wanted to capture him, wanted to make sure he couldn't get all this cocaine in the United States. Well, they sent many other agencies down there, and FBI, DEA, whoever you want to name. Guys couldn't get the job done. And so they brought in a certain intelligence agency and said, hey, you need to help us stop this guy and find out where and how he's bringing all this cocaine. Well, it wasn't airplanes. It wasn't some super ninja submarine that was going underwater. It wasn't the tunnels, because of course we're all familiar with the tunnels that they dig on the southern border, and that the border patrol is always finding these tunnels and everything. It had nothing to do with that. What this intelligence agency did was send a deep cover agent to infiltrate this specific drug ring of this kingpin and find out how he was moving all this cocaine and other drugs in the United States. And even more importantly, other countries figured out that this drug kingpin had quote unquote cracked the code, and instead of moving drugs, they went to him and they said, hey, we're gonna pay you a boatload of money if you get our terrorists in there, if you get our spies in there. So for instance, let's say Iran, right? Hey, we hate the US, we wanna blow them up and do bad things. We wanna get some of our terrorists in there. You guys know how to do it, so here's a bunch of money, get them in there. Or Russia or China or North Korea did the same thing, went to this particular cartel and said, hey, you guys know how to easily get into the US. We want you to put our agents and make them look like they're part of your crew and get them into the US. So as I mentioned, there was a deep cover agent who figured out how they did this. And guess what? Like many things in life, it was not rocket science. They would send a decoy to the border areas to take up the time and to, again, they were a decoy, to have the border patrol be around them and waste a ton of time. And while the border patrol was doing that, this drug cartel had a bunch of mules, aka humans, who literally just walked across the border with cocaine and all types of stuff taped all over them, and including these foreign spies. Now the foreign agents did not walk through with cocaine or whatever, but they just walked through looking like they were normal people traversing over the border trying to get into the United States, while border protection had their hands full of these guys who were the decoys, who looked all suspicious and looked all sketchy, but of course they had nothing. They were just sitting there trying to waste their time. So the mules, this training mules, they had certain places they had to be at a certain time. They had checkpoints. They had vehicles meeting in there. It was very well coordinated and thought out. And then of course, this drug kingpin wanted his money. So what happened? Well, the same mules that went in with cocaine would come out with money taped all over them. And this happened all the time. Well, you and I both know that our southern border is still an absolute train wreck. And yes, it's obviously horrible that drugs, cocaine, and all that come through. But still, one of the most horrible things of all is that we have terrorists, we have Russian spies, Chinese spies, North Korean spies, Cuban spies, all these spies that absolutely hate America coming in here, setting up their cells, and then doing horrible things on American soil because they're already based here. They don't have to worry about hacking all the way from Russia or hacking all the way from wherever, North Korea. So what's the moral of the story? Well, obviously protect yourself, because our grid is going to go down, because there's going to be other attacks on the US infrastructure. So make sure you got your food storage, make sure you got water storage. I have 2 years of water storage, not to say water storage, no, I'm good, but I'm not that good. I have 2 years of food storage for my wife and 6 kids. I have 30 days of water storage in 55-gallon drums and 7-gallon aquatainers and the 5-gallon military jerry cans. And I also, of course, have several filters. So I got my 30 days worth of water storage, several filters if we have to go a long time, because I know where the creeks are by my house, I know where the rivers are by my house. So have all that. Be able to be self-reliant when these horrible terrorists and things bring down our infrastructure for periods at a time. But more importantly, call your politicians, tell them to do something about the southern border. I mean, people should come here legally, obviously. I think every honest and intelligent person knows that, is do it legally, do it the right way. But right now, it is poor as this can be, and it is an extreme danger to this country. If you want to know more about protecting your family from whatever we might face, whether it's a grid down scenario, whether it's a physical attack, somebody attacking you in a parking lot, click below for information information I think you'll find very, very vital. I am former CIA officer Jason Hanson. I would love it if you'd like, subscribe, turn on that ring notification. If you want more overall survival tips, including more spy stories, I've got them. I got them on my channel. Check out my other videos. Have a wonderful rest of the day, and I hope you stay safe.